This video introduces ServiceNow approval rules. Approval rules let the system generate approval requests automatically. Approval rules are most often used with service catalog requests and change requests, but they can be used for other tasks as well. Each approval rule specifies one or more conditions that require someone's approval. For example, a catalog order with a total price over $1,000. The approval rule also specifies one or more people who need to approve the request. When a new or updated request meets the conditions in the rule, the system creates an approval request for each approver. The approvers can see and respond to these requests in Service Desk My Approvals. In addition, the system can notify the approvers of new requests by email. The approvers click a link in the email to approve or reject the request. The system updates the status of the request to approved or rejected based on the approver's responses. Let's take a look at an approval rule. To see the list of approval rules, we navigate to System Policy, Rules, Approval. Let's look at the rule for the example we mentioned earlier, a catalog order with a total price over $1,000. This rule checks each new or updated record in the Request table. It triggers an approval request if the price field is greater than $1,000 US and the approval field is not yet requested. If the Run Rule Before checkbox is selected, the rule runs before the record is added or updated in the database. The User and Group fields let you specify the people who need to approve the request. If a user is specified, that user must approve the request. If a group is specified, all the members of the group must approve the request. The Set State field specifies the initial state of the approval request. Here the state is initially set to Requested. Later, when the request is approved, the state will be set to Approved. To approve the request automatically, without an approval by a person, specify Approved here. The Script field lets you include a script to perform additional functions when the rule runs. Finally, the tabs at the bottom of the form let you review the history of the rule. The Descendants tab shows the descendants of this rule. The Versions tab shows a log of the past and present versions of the rule. And the Updates tab lists the updates to the rule. This concludes our video. For more information, please consult our product documentation, knowledge base, or podcast, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.